Remutaka Range, known as sitting down to rest in Te Reo Maori, as designated by the NZGB, has its origins dating back to the Triassic period, a span of time stretching from 252 to 201 million years ago. Its rugged landscape has been shaped by a complex interplay of geological shifts, tectonic movements, and climatic forces, which in turn have influenced the distribution of its vegetation. While once inhabited by 8 species of moa, the range still teems with native bird life including bellbirds, tue, kaka, kereru, and ruru. For early Maori, the Remutaka Range provided both sanctuary during tribal conflicts and a vital source of sustenance. A significant trail traversing the range, linking Waiorongomai in the east to Lowry Bay in the west, played a crucial role in their journeys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. See you in the next video.